Go.
Hello everyone. You probably know the problem of having a busy life, always having to be on time everywhere and coming home stressed on the end of the day. So we have the most revolutionary solution. Ever heard of a shoe? Ever heard of a hovercraft? Have you ever heard of a hovercraft shoe? No? Well, you should. The hovercraft shoe is easy, fast and not expensive. And there is more.
Imagine, you have to go somewhere but you don't know where it is. Well, the hovercraft shoe can do for you. Its included GPS will bring you everywhere, even at night. The hovercraft shoe perfectly because of its light.
Picture of the hovercraft shoe is the fire lighter. You can use it in and outside house. For example, to light candle or campfire, a barbecue, anything you want. You want more? If you like it, you can walk to the water.
Are you interested? Buy our product now for £100 instead of £150. Call this number now and get your hovercraft shoe tomorrow. What a hovercraft shoe can do.